Let's see how we can design this. You need to set same size, same bottle like this. Then you need to cut out one of this bottle. Then use the bottom side. Bottom side cutting is need to flat moment. Then why? We cut this part. We need to cut this part like to fix like this. You can see it. I will tell you the reason for that soon. After that, you need to make a hole. What for that? It's need to enter a light. You can enter any bulb if you want. I used a bulb 230 supply board. I make a hole to supply the current to bulb. You used a bout for make a hole like this small hole. Then you need to make several holes like this. These holes need to align or any design if you like. But these holes need to upside and top and need to align. So I 100% recommend like this align. Then I took the bottom side of the our design. To hold the steady, I input the stones. Because of the design bottom need to very strong. You can see the stone and the our bulb and our inputted wire. Need to seal the wire hole using silicone. Make it sure use silicone well because of the water doesn't come into the bottom this decoration. So like you need to take the another bottle, the full size full parts of the bottle. You need to hold like this. Then use this aquarium motor. This is a water pump. Please use the small size water pump. You can buy this any aquarium shops in your location. I use the tube for output of the water pump. Next, you need to enter the tube into the our decoration upside. I made that hole using soldering iron. We need to enter the water using water pump to our top side bottle. Next, I paste the our part of the bottle and full size of the bottle using silicone. I silicone well. You need to sure the water doesn't enter the two parts of this. Now you can see the how we enter the tube into our upside bottle. You need to seal it also very well using silicone or the any sealed type. I tell you again, please make all are sealed well. If your seal is weak, water will leak. Your bottle side decoration need to hold a height more than the water pump height. I think you can understand when watching the video. This is a testing run and you can see how we can see the our decoration after into the our water bucket. Water level need to height more than the water pump. Uh, let's go to the finalize this our decoration. I covered the bottom side, so I need to not show up to the bottom side. So I covered it. You can do anything if you like. And this is the final decorations and our final design. You can decorate your gift or your design you like any type. This is my design. I know you can decorate this like me. It's more than like me. Let's go to see how work this. You need to fill the water your water bucket. Your water bucket need to sometimes big. My water bucket radius is about 2 feet. You can arrange it according to your design and your design size. This is daytime show up and this is the nighttime show up. When you switch on, water will fill the bottle and will flow like this. Water will flow like this. Make sure the upside, the fully bottle cap is you close the full tight to generate the pressure. And this is the final design. Make this gift, give this gift to your girlfriend. Bye, see you again.